Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Raj Lakshmi Solution Private Limited, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our attendants joining us online today. So, my name is Nikhil. I am your host for this session. I'm joining by our esteemed speakers, Ms. Divya Pawar and Mr. Kanam Naidu Reddy, who will guide us through today's topic, task and project management in Bitrix 24. Before we dive into the main session, let me briefly introduce you to the Raj Lakshmi Solution Private Limited (RSPL). We provide a comprehensive support across multiple areas, including sales, service, solutions, implementation, and development, to meet our clients' needs. Our partnership with leading further enhances our service offering. We are five-star certified Tally partner, gold partner for Bitrix 24, channel partner for Great HR, channel partner for SAP Business One, and ERP Web. Thank you all for joining us today. We look forward to a valuable session ahead. So, Divya, over to you.
So in the project management, we have the different features that is the task effectiveness, project task tracking, progress of the project tracking, along with the productive enhancement of the team. So here we will see how you can create the project and set up the project for the particular task and project management session. So first you navigate to the project section and click the create project. In that we have the different option, that is assigning the name of the project, different parameters of the project along with the description, project icon, and the uh, description related to that project. Along with that, we have the options, that is the different parameters, that is the start date, end date of the project, along with the chat, marketing option, conversation option, etc. Once the project is created, you can add the task in that particular project. So there are the different options of adding the task in the project. You can add the subtask also for the particular project along with the participant, assignee, and the observer of the project. So you can create the individual or recurring task within the project, assign the responsible person or the co-executive, define the task deadlines along with the priorities, and add the checklist for the maintaining the task description. In that you can add the subtasks also to break the complex task into the small parts, track the progress of the task along with the status and the automations. Next, we have the collaboration and the communication. In collaboration, we have the different feature, that is the chats along with the meeting facilitating seamlessly collaboration within the project teams. You can build the chat and video conference tool, collaborate the project discussion and the comments, share the different types of documents and files within the project space. You can use the workgroup also for that feature for maintaining the focused discussion within the project and the task section. Time tracking and the workload management. You can enable the time tracking option for the task section, generate the various types of project, and keep the time spent on that particular task, manage workload distribution among the team members, set the working hours and the task dependency to optimize the efficiency of that task. Gantt chart view and the Kanban view. You can utilize the Gantt chart view for the visual project planning and the scheduling, which allow you to better understanding and the timelines and the dependency of the particular project. You can utilize it for the project timeline visualization, identifying the task dependencies, adjustment of the deadlines accordingly. Use the Kanban board to clear workflow overview along with the project stages and the customized columns of the projects. Next, we have the automation and the workflow optimization. You can automate the task assignment and the notification. Set approval for that. You can use the pre-built automation which is already there in the particular task and project management section. Along with that, you can integrate the CRM tools and the HR tools in the and the finance management. Reporting and analytics for the task and project management section. Bitrix24 offers you the comprehensive reporting and the analytics tools which help you to make the data driven decision. It provides you the real time insights into the various business operations, including the sales, project, and the employee performance. You can generate the different project reports, analyze the workload distribution and the efficiency. You can generate the real-time project tracking dashboard, and you can export the projects and the stakeholders reviews. You can integrate with other Bitrix24 modules also with the help of the CRM related to the customer related task, connect with the HR tools for the employee performance tracking, and integrate with the calendar and the email for the seamless scheduling. Mobile and the remote project management. You can manage the task and project section within the mobile app efficiently. You can share the different types of documents and the tasks within the mobile itself efficiently. Also, you can receive the real-time notification and the updates from the mobile phone itself. In the conclusion, Bitrix24 provides you the dynamic and the feature-rich environment for the project management by leveraging its collaborative tools, automations, capabilities, and the reporting features. Business can enhance the productivity, ensure the project transparency, and the streamline workflow effectively. Thank you. Now, Mr. Karnam will give you the live demonstration of task and project management. So, over to you, Karnam.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Thank you, Divya ma'am, for great insights. Now I will walk through the practical side, a live demo session on tasks and projects. I will share my screen. Are managed in the Bitrix. I will show you how to create a task and assign or track task effectively to boost team productivity. Let's get started today's topic. First, we create a task. You can manually or individually. So first, navigate the task and projects. To, so this is a we can click the task and projects, and then you can go to the task and projects. This is the dashboard of task and projects. We have there is an option is there create button. If you click the create button, we so you can mention the title of the task and mention the description of the task. Under the we have lot of options are there. One is assigning. After that, you can mention the participants as well as the observers. Observers can monitoring your task. Assignee can do the task. Before that, we have a there is a lot of options are available. The file option, if you want to upload it, any images or documents by using upload option. If you want to checklist, you can add the checklist after finishing your tasks. And you can use time tracker option also. Whenever you can start the time, you can start the task by using time tracker. It's useful for billable hours. We can track particular task. If it is any repeated task, you can check. You can enable the checkbox. After remaining CRM, if there is this task is related to any CRM section, you can choose the CRM section also. If any customized fields, you can create the customized fields. These are the data types available for creating the customized fields. Like that, you can create the task in this section. So coming out to the projects. So there is another way to create the task under the project section. We have three options. If you click the create button, there is an three options are available. Projects. Projects is nothing but to set a deadline for the entire the project. Next, work group. Work group is nothing but functions like a project but does not include a deadline option. Coming out the collaboration. Collaboration is nothing but used when external users need to work on the project. External users needs nothing but if you want to invite the guest user, the external user you work on the collaboration section. So these are the options are available for creating the project. So I can choose the projects and click the next option. You can mention the project name. After that, you can visualize, you can choose your themes. If it is external options also available, you can choose your tag name. Remaining, if not required, you can disable these options. Charts, calendars, tasks, drives. So everything is available. You can, as per your requirement, you can enable the checkboxes. After that, this project already. After that, you can click the next button. Yes. You can, there is a three options: public, private, hidden. So if you want to public this project, view all internal members, you can choose the public. Otherwise, only particular person you can view that. In that, you can prefer the private option. So I can choose the private option and click the next option. You can add your team members. I can choose my team members respective project section. So immediately the project will be created. After that, once the project is created, there is a lot of options are there: list view, Kanban, deadline, planner, calendar, Gyan chart. So you can either you are choosing list view or Kanban view, or there are a lot of options, you can choose it. So in the Kanban view, there is a stages are there. If you want stages wise, you can choose it. And one more thing, there is an automations are also available. So in the automation, you can arrange your automations as per your business rules. So a lot of automations are available. So according to that, your business rules, you can choose your automations. Coming out the flows, it's nothing but tracking task efficiency. Flow help track the efficiency of tasks within a project. If performance drop, enabling the co-pilot feature can provide a suggestion to improve productivity. Flows are beneficial for optimizing task execution and ensuring smooth project progress. So if so the so these are the flows dashboard. So mention your flows name and a description about your flows name. Add your employees and planner completed how many days the flows will completed. After that, you can choose next option. See this, there is a use queue option. It's nothing but whoever the assign is, they are first in first out. So you can add your internal employees, then immediately the task will assign automatically first in first out. Queue is nothing but a first in first out. So I can choose three internal users. So immediately whenever the task will be created within the flow section, then automatically the assignee will be uh, first the Divya and then Poonam and the Varun. So like that first in first out option. So otherwise, if you want to manually assign the task particular user, you can choose the assignee. Or if you create a task self, you can choose the self option. So like that, you can create the flows. After that, you can create the flow. You can create the tasks. In this section, you can create the task automatically. The assignee person queue format first in first out. If you enabling this uh, co-pilot, immediately the co-pilot will be performance individually. So these are the ways to create the task, project and the flow section. Coming to the reports. So we have a lot of options are there for creating the reports. So we have two types of reports. So one is general reports as well as the BA builder reports. So if you in the task and projects, if you go to the more option, the report section, so these are the Bitrix provided built-in reports. If it is useful, you can do it. Otherwise, you can create add report manually. You can choose your you can choose name, priority, responsive person. So these are the built inbuilt fields. As per your requirement, you can generate the report section. So coming out the in the reports in the BI builder, we have a recently in the synergies, the new dashboard will be created, that is my workload and the efficiency. So these are the reports uh, created by the Bitrix. So like that we can create the task as well as create the project or the collaboration of the work group and to generate the report section. And one more thing, the task and projects are integrated with the CRM section as well. So I will show you how to create the task in the CRM section. So there is a two ways to create the task. One is in the activity section, you can create the task. So this is an automatically integrated. So there is an option is available in the activity section task. Then immediately it is redirected to the task under the CRM section. This is a one option. Another option is once the data is landing into the CRM section, if you want to choose an automation, by using the automation, there is an option is there is a trigger option is there, create task. So there is an option is there, create task. Immediately the task is created. You can choose your entire the information, and automatically the task is created when the data is created in the either leads or the deals or the contacts and the companies. So thank you. Over to Nikhil.
Yeah, thank you, Karan Naidu. So thank you all for joining the today's webinar. We are hope you found the session valuable and informative. If you have any further questions or need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out us. Wishing you all the best for your task and project management journey with Bitrix24. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.